Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Week 5 in Term 2. We will have some competitions happening this week. Please come and support your friends. Today at 3:30 up to 5 p.m. there is Boys Volleyball match of Sekolah Ciputra versus SMA Carolous in MPH. On Wednesday, the 1st November at 3:30 up to 5 p.m. there will be Girls Volleyball friendly match at Sekolah Ciputra versus SMA Carolous in MPH and Nextgen Basketball Competition Junior Boys and Girls. On Thursday, 2nd November until Sunday, 5th November, there will be Ciputra Cup Soccer. On Friday, 3rd November at 7 a.m. up to 6 p.m., there will be Ciputra Cup Football and Volleyball Tournament in MPH and Volleyball Field. Also, Nextgen Basketball Competition Junior Boys, PYP 5 Assembly in Ciputra Hall, and Early Years Assembly at 9:30 a.m. in Early Years Foyer. On Saturday, 4th November at 8 a.m. up to 10 p.m., there will be a GISMO competition and Sekolah Ciputra is the host. It will be done in the Sekolah Ciputra's classrooms. On Sunday, 5th November, there will be SAT and Nextgen Basketball Competition Junior Girls. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything during the week, feel free to ask help from teachers, staffs, or friends. Wishing you a fantastic and productive week ahead. May it be filled with joy, success, and positive experiences.